How to change Google background. Hi everybody, welcome back to another video. In this video, we're going to learn how we can change the background of Google. So without any delay, let's start with the video. But before beginning, don't forget to hit that like, share, and subscribe icon. So in order to change the background of Google, first of all, you may just open up your browser in any of your desktop. After that, you'll be able to see this kind of interface when you open up your Chrome browser. And what you need to do is simply head over to the three dot at the top right. And here, just scroll down until you're able to find settings. Just go to settings of your Google Chrome. Just wait for it to load first. After it is loaded, you're just going to head over to the appearance section at the left side of the corner, left side of the screen. You'll be able to see appearance option. Just go to theme and select the theme that you want to apply to your Google Chrome. So what it does is it redirects you to another page, that is the Chrome Web Store, and here you can find the themes easily. You will just select any of the themes. Some of the themes may be something you need to pay for, but there are many free themes that you may apply into your desktop on your Google background. So I'm just going to select one of these, this Earth and Moon one. I'm just going to click on it, and what you need to do is add it to Chrome. You can see this add to Chrome option. Just tap on add to Chrome and wait for it to be downloaded. First, a pop-up will be appeared on the screen after it is downloaded, or it will directly change the background. So when you open up a new tab, you'll be able to see that your background on Google has been changed successfully. So therefore, just follow that method and you should be able to change your background on Google. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.